Bradbury Garner presents Friday's Big Why. Good morning, Kat.
Morning, Katie.
We are here this morning with a question from Kat's first-time home buyer, Anna, out of Newport.
That's
Kat,
right.
what was her question?
She called me and she said, "Hey, Kat, I have found a trailer that I really like." And I was like, "Well, I got a few questions." She goes, "Well, can I get a loan on this?" And I said, "Well, what kind of trailer is it? Because it matters."
It does matter, whether it's single wide, whether it's double wide. All those play into the factor of whether or not it can be financed. The short answer is yes. If the single wide is on a permanent foundation, it's affixed to real property.
Real property.
There are special lenders out there that will do that for you as a buyer. And we have that list.
We do have that list. And supposedly the USDA, starting March 4th, is going to be lending on single wides too. So this is all changing. And it's been fluid over the past couple years.
It has, and it's ever evolving. And the biggest thing with this right now, why this is such perfect timing for these home buyers, is first-time home buyers paying these higher interest rates that have to take their price range down from here to there are going to be able to focus on these single wides, manufactured homes.
Right.
We are going to be able to connect you with a lender that is going to work in your best interest to go ahead and finance that property if it's on a permanent foundation.
Permanent.
And affixed to real land.
Oh, yep, that is what permanent foundation.
Well, that is true. But anyways, if you have a question, drop it in our comments below. Make sure you follow us on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram. Ask your question, and you may be featured on our next Friday Big Why. Catch you guys later.